Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a soft shell black bean taco. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil, followed by 2 cups of black beans. Cover with lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until black beans are tender. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of chopped green bell pepper, a half a cup of chopped onions. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Stir and then cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. And finally, we're going to add a half a cup of diced tomatoes and 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. The link for how I soak my black beans, brown rice, the brown rice tortilla, and the chickpea sauce used in this recipe will be found in the description box. Now it's time to make some tacos. We're going to start off with our brown rice flour tortilla. We're going to top it with our chickpea sauce, brown rice, followed by the black bean mixture. Fold it and enjoy. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. This is the kind of day fast I'm after, to break the chains of injustice, get rid of exploitation in the workplace, free the oppressed, cancel debts. What I'm interested in seeing you do is sharing your food with the hungry, inviting the homeless poor into your homes, putting clothes on the shivering ill-clad, being available to your own families. Do this and the light will turn on, and your lives will turn around at once. Your righteousness will pave your way. The God of glory will secure your passage. Then when you pray, God will answer. You'll call out for help, and I'll say, here I am. Isaiah 58, 6-9.